Hi, I'm John Demler, President and CEO of 717 Credit Union. I would like to take a moment to talk to you about our ATM fleet. Like you, we were caught off guard last April with a major service disruption with our ATM fleet provider. And like you, we are frustrated. Since this service disruption, we've procured new, modern ATMs, and we are working to outfit them with the most up-to-date security features. It's taken a little longer than we've hoped, but the security of your accounts is our highest priority. I am proud to announce that this new fleet of ATMs will be owned and operated by 717 Credit Union. That means that we, not some outside vendor, controls the technology, the security, and the service of these ATMs. That means that you can expect a higher service standard than we were previously able to deliver with our older fleet. This fleet will start to be deployed on September 16th, with 2 ATMs being replaced each week, with all ATMs expected to be replaced by November 1st. Also, we are proud to announce that over the coming years, you can expect to see our 717 fleet of ATMs receive upgraded branding and protection to help provide an even more secure and enjoyable experience. We look to double the size of our ATM fleet throughout Northeast Ohio by 2030. Now, 2030 is still a little ways away, so we are excited to announce our partnership with MoneyPass, a national ATM network with over 40,000 ATMs across the United States, with many locations here in Northeast Ohio. Finally, we know that this experience has not been good for our members. Many of you experienced unanticipated ATM fees. I get it, it's not fair. That is why we will be refunding all of the foreign transaction fees from ATMs used from April 1st through September 16th. Moving forward, all MoneyPass ATMs are also surcharge-free. Please check out our website to learn more about the MoneyPass ATM locations. Thank you for your patience during this transition, and thank you for your membership.